Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. So this is a quick update regarding XAPI x.com API, as it changed quite a lot since I recorded the tutorial video for Xomatic. Because of this, I will show you how to set it up again. So first of all, you will need to create an X account, and afterwards install the Xomatic plugin. Click on the link that I showed you from this question mark, and you will be able to create your developer account. After you created it, you will be seeing a dashboard like this. First of all, you will need to know that XAI API is paid, so you will need to buy credits or set up automatic billing, pay per use. So you will pay as much as you use. So their usage and pricing will be available here on the site, and you will be able to check billing information, payments, and more details about pricing here. So I click here buy credits and purchase credits. For example, I bought $5 of credits, and I spent from it 25 cents so far. So after you bought the credits and you have some credits in your account, you will be able to create an app. So click apps and click create an app. Give it a unique name. It is very important to have a unique name on the entire X platform. So give it some random name or some name that you remember. The environment can be production, and click create new app client application. You can create only 3 new apps per day. I already created my 3 apps. Because of this I get this error, but in your case you should see so you should say something like this, because X or Twitter shows similar to this. Besides of this, they will show also a bearer token below this, but you can disregard the bearer token. You need to copy the consumer key. So copy the consumer key, paste it here in the consumer API key settings field. Copy the secret, paste it here. You can leave v2, it's okay. And after you did this, click close and go to apps, go to the app that you created, and you can set up also access tokens. Access tokens are needed only if you post to X using the post to Twitter menu. So if you don't post to X, these access tokens are optional for you. But now let me show you how to create them. So click here, generate, yes, and copy the access token, paste it here, copy the access token secret, paste it here, save app info. Now we have set up our XAI API. One more thing, if you post to X, you will need to also click settings, and here instead of just read, click read and write. Here click web app, automated app, or bot, and here add your website URL. So for example, we can copy and set up our website URL. This is needed, but this will not be used. So this can hold any value from your website, and also this is needed to be your website's URL. So now click Save Changes. You can disregard this code because we will not use it this time, and we successfully set up X API, and we will be able to import posts with keyword to posts. So like this, and we will also be able to post to X automatically using this feature, post to Twitter. So you can set this to on to automatically post all newly published posts on your site, or you can manually post these posts. If you go to single post view and click on a post, you will have this icon, and post to Twitter now will be able to post your content to Twitter. So here I have my account, it's empty, and we can go and let's pull a post. So let's delete the posts and let me check my site now. And now let's run importing again, and we will be able to see a new post generated and a tweet imported from X. Okay, so this is one. You can do keyword searches or more advanced searches, or you can post to Twitter, formerly Twitter, now X. So you can delay post, you can set the post format that you wish, and let me show you how this will work. So let's go to posts, and let's publish this post, for example, and post to Twitter. And if we go here and refresh, we should see soon our post appearing, because the delay of postings here will take a couple of seconds to appear. So let's refresh again, and here it is. 12 seconds ago we just did a post to X. So this is how you will be able to use the advanced features of Xomatic. You will be able to pull posts or to automatically publish to x.com using Xomatic, which is linked in this video description. So thank you for watching. If you have questions, let me know in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.